Hello, hello, welcome back to another video, and if you're new, welcome. So today I'm going to do a video. It's kind of a short video. It's Nail Heaven Supply Store. I just placed an order with them. It was for 3 acrylics, and I just received it a couple days ago. So I'm going to go ahead and I want to see how these acrylics work. On a side note, I'm going to let you know that the monomer I am using is Young Nails. And this is not a sponsored video, so it's okay to say Young Nails along with Nail Heaven. Anyways, that's how I do things, and I know some people say you have to use the exact same stuff for everything that you do, and I don't. So I have 2 monomers that I use. One's E-Nail Couture, and the other one is Young Nails monomer. And then I use just a whole slew of different powders. Tammy Taylor, I have the Nail Heaven that I want to try out. I want to see how this works. So anyways, without further ado, I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to just do a few swatches of these and see how they look and how they go on and everything, and just thought I'd share with you. So sit back, enjoy just a short video. Hope you enjoy. Okay, so I've gone ahead and I've opened the box and I have the receipt here. Like I said, I only ordered a few of them. I really want to see how well these work. Oh wow, okay, so along with that is a free gift. Very nice. So there's a few gel polishes. Look at the size of these. Okay, 007, 003. How sweet is that? And I'm gonna say 009 just to be on the safe side. Nice. All right. Well, thank you, Nail Heaven. Okay. And these are the acrylics, and I'm just so excited. I love doing colored acrylics. Sometimes it's a lot easier than using clear and doing gel polish on top. It just depends. Okay, this one, I guess I shouldn't do that just yet. This is Double Cup. This one is Pound Town, and this one is Whipped. Okay, very nice. Look at that purple. Purple is one of the most popular colors with my clients. So I'm just going to do this really quick. Okay, just getting the brush ready. Okay, and then I'm just going to put it on the inside of the swatch, because then I don't have to worry about going back over it with a top coat. That is so pretty. It's always crazy, the colors that you see like on the website and then what you actually get. Okay. Very pretty. Oh my goodness, look at that pink. Okay, I'm using a fast dry monomer. I probably shouldn't be doing that. Oh my goodness, look at that. Oh, gorgeous. Oh, look at that. Oh, I hope that's picking up. Oh my gosh. Oh, okay. I think I have a new favorite. Actually, let's see here. I should have done this with the purple one as well. So there's nothing, this isn't a clear jar or anything, as you can tell. So I am just going to go ahead and add just a little dot on top of the lid so I know what's what. Oh my gosh, look at that. Okay, I'm loving that. All right, that is called Pound Town. And then we'll do this purple one really, really quick. And that one is Double Cup. Okay. Just a little dot. Very pretty. Oh my gosh. So a client turned me on to these, or this company. I shouldn't say these, it should be this company. And I am just, I'm going to get in trouble. Because, yeah. Okay, so this one's whipped. And I apologize, I can't remember what the colors are that I ordered. Oh my. Okay. I'm going to need that just a little wetter. Like I said, I probably shouldn't do the fast dry one right now. Anyways. Okay, look at the glitter in these. Oh, that is gorgeous. Okay, so we'll just get oh my gosh, these are so pretty. Okay, and then I'm just gonna do another little sample on the lid so I know what's what. And I'm excited to use these because, well, they're gorgeous. Again, I purchased these, so this is not a sponsored video. I am being just very, oh my gosh, very, very blunt. Okay, let's see here. These I did not expect, and I think that is really super sweet. So let's go ahead and we'll just kind of swatch those as well because I want to see what these look like. Okay, I use a separate dapping dish when I do the glitters and stuff so that I don't get my other dapping dish contaminated with glitter because not everybody likes glitter. Okay, so let's just see how these go on. I didn't know they had gel polishes. I thought it was just acrylic. I did not go very far into the website. I love this. The size of the bottle and that green. Okay, so we're going to see how far we can get with one coat. Maybe one coat will suffice, right? Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and put that one in there. Just kind of flash cure it for 10 seconds and then we'll give it a full cure. Let's see. So 1 to 2 minutes. Okay. And then we'll try this one. It's like a terracotta kind of. They go on really smooth. Oh my gosh. Great. I'm going to be in a lot of trouble because I'm going to be on there ordering more powders. Always, always happy to find another brand that has really good items. Okay, and then this purple. Oh my gosh, look at that, one coat. All right, so I lied. I think we'll just do one coat of each. And then we'll number them and we'll put them on the rack with the other polishes. Other brands, I should say. This one I have never used, but I think I like it. All right, so we're gonna cure those. All right, those are all cured. Look at that, that's just one coat. I think one coat is gonna be just fine. And then these acrylics, oh my gosh, I cannot wait to do these acrylics. Anyways, so this was just a fun little purchase and I'll be getting more. So anyways, yeah, this is Nail Heaven and I will leave a link in the description so you can go check out their website. Like I said, I'm not sponsored by them by any means. This is something that a client turned me on to and I'm really happy that she did. So without, I guess I don't know, I can't find my words today, words hurt. Anyways, I'm not going to say without further ado, but I'm going to say thank you for watching the video. And if it's something that you enjoyed, please like, share, comment, subscribe, and I'll be back again shortly with another one. Cheers.